Hey there you guys, MOONMANMIGZ here, and this is my first vlog of the new year, so let's get to it. So right now it is raining and I am going to skate in the rain. I got my trusty cruiser here, so let's skate in the rain. It's been MOONMANMIGZ, signing out. Hey there you guys, MOONMANMIGZ here, let's skate, man.
It's never over. Make it over. That's just make it stronger. Makes it stronger.
Over's never over, make it matter, makes us better, faster makes us stronger. Work is never over. Listen to Daft Punk as I skate. Yeah, I do like techno. So yeah, skating. Right now I'm going to one of my friend's house. I'm gonna go chill. Nothing better to do. This is my day off today. So yeah, I'm making these vlogs. Damn. This camera is so awesome, man. So yeah, right now I'm skating. Yeah, I'm just filming, vlogging it up. First vlog of the new year. OD hype on this whole new camera setup. Can't wait till I get my car. Can't wait to get my license. Can't wait to start drifting. I can't wait to make my dreams come true. Yeah, it is raining and it's Monday, and I guess it's the first Monday of the new year, so yeah. Simple kind of man. Do this. My bad, I'm just jamming. Trying to sing to it, but I sing horribly. Alright. I have a long ways to go. I think I'm gonna end this shit now. Then I'll continue when I'm further. It's been MOONMANMIGZ, signing out. Hey there you guys, MOONMANMIGZ here. And as you can tell, I'm still skating, but I'm a lot further from where I've been going. So yeah, still out here skating. Trying to make it to my friend's house. Trying to make this vlog. I've not been vlogging like I used to. So
25.
Since it's the first vlog of the new year, why not do it? Oh yeah. It's fucking raining. My skateboard's soaked, but I don't really care. I've gotten caught in the rain with this before. Yeah, I'm gonna take to the street, man. I don't really like walking. Yeah, we're still out here skating. It's type drizzling. So, oh shit. So yeah, I was in the middle of those two buses back there. Skating between those two buses back there. That was pretty cool. Yo, the quality of this camera, thank you, man. Like, this shit's so awesome. I'm hyped. I got this camera. There's a bus right behind me. Yeah, there's a bus right in front of me. Hey you guys, MOONMANMIGZ here. Still skating, still on the move. And it's still drizzling. But it's not that bad. I guess it won't harm my camera. Oh shit, I almost fucking fell. These shits are OD slippery. Especially when they get wet. So yeah, that middle thing right there is OD slippery. Especially when they get wet. So I was kick pushing, my foot slipped. But yeah, I definitely have to get my car. I want a BMW with 4 doors. I mean, I'll take a 2-door, it's alright, but kind of want like a taxi drifter thing. Something that I could have passengers with me and drift as well. Excuse me. Oh, speaking about BMW, I'm gonna show you one that's close to here. Take all my shortcuts. So right here now, taking one of my shortcuts, and there's like a BMW and a Miata back here. They have no license plate, so I'm wondering if they're for sale. So that'd be cool if they were, especially the BMW. The reason I'm not skating is because these cobblestones, even though this is a cruiser, this will be a bitch to skate on. So right now I'm just walking. Some train station. It'll be some shit if the BMW is not there today. Oh, look at it right there. That's the BMW right there. And that's the Miata. Honestly, I think the BMW back there is way cooler than the Miata. I'd rather go with that BMW all the way over there than the Miata. So yeah, I really want a BMW as my first car. Like that could turn into a daily drifter. So I made it to the concourse. Basically, around this area, around 161, around 157 is mainly where I hang out. Mainly where most of my friends live at. So I made it to the concourse. And now I have to keep skating down. But yeah, it's starting to drizzle a little bit harder, so I'm gonna end this now. It's been MOONMANMIGZ, signing out. Ashley! Hey there you guys, MOONMANMIGZ here, and today's a really special day here in my house. It's my little sister Ashley's birthday. Oh crap, I missed the song. Yeah! Hey Ashley, say hi to YouTube. Yo estoy grabando para YouTube. For YouTube.
Hijo de tu madre.
Okay, that's it.
Pónganse los tres para tirarle la foto. Para que no se pase veriosa.
Stop!
Look at the birthday girl. How old are you?
My nigga, that shit is annoying. Go somewhere with that shit.
Be quiet. I'll point it at you too, nigga.
This shit is so wavy.
No, no ustedes. Just grabando a Ashley, yeah. Hi, Ashley.
I don't consent to this video. I don't consent. Don't
Hey there, you guys. MOONMANMIGZ here. So, like I was saying, it is my little sister's birthday. She just turned 15, and this is her.
I don't consent to this. I don't consent. Exactly, Dean. Look, my palms are really dark for some reason. I don't get it. People always make fun of me.
She got black
Ash, can we take a picture of
palms.
you by ourselves? Come here.
It's been MOONMANMIGZ signing out.
Yeah. Turn that shit off.
Shut up.
Come take
Hey
a
there, you guys. MOONMANMIGZ here, and right now I'm just testing my camera. Like I'm just testing the different settings and seeing what it could do. I really have not done that since I got this camera. I really have not even been uploading, and I apologize for that as I've been busy working. So yeah, I have not been able to upload, but I had some free time, so I decided to just take out the camera and just get used to it, I guess. So this setting that I picked is a sports setting, and Things doing good. So yeah, I'm sorry for that. I have not have been what I said, filming or uploading. I just don't remember at the moment. Okay, so then MOONMANMIGZ signing out, and this footage is actually awesome. So yeah, it's been MOONMANMIGZ signing out.